There's my kitty licking himself. Pretty boy. He's giving himself a bath. What? You giving yourself a bath? Pretty boy. Pretty boy. Good kitty. Good kitty. Oh, I know, it's terrible. Just blinding myself. It's supposed to be going on you. Oh, Herman, don't do that on video, you jackass. We'll do Piper in the litter box. Piper got in the litter box. Piper got in the litter box. Herman, quit doing that on video. Stop it. Come on, I wanted to get a picture of your face. There you go. There's my cat. Herman. Say boo. Boo. He's licking his belly. It's okay to lick your belly. Yeah, you're licking his belly. Oh, Piper. Look at Rufus, just laying there, not even paying attention to his mother. What, Piper? Did you get in the litter box? Okay, bye.